Hello and welcome to the Daily Healing. I'm your host, Britt Michaelian, a Reiki Master, an energy healer, and healing artist, and a student of life and wellness. And I'm so glad that you're here. Thank you very much for listening. These first few episodes of this podcast are designed to give you a foundation for your own healing practices. So today we're going to be talking about the concept of grounding. This is the foundation of the foundation. And it is a really important concept for healing because it keeps us out of our heads. When we're not grounded, we feel like we have too many thoughts going on in our minds. We feel disconnected from other people, from ourselves. And so when we take a moment to take a deep breath, put our feet on the floor, maybe even lie on the ground, feel the earth supporting you, and just connect into that support, that love from Mother Earth. Even if you're lying on the 27th floor of an apartment building in New York, you're still laying on the ground and you're still feeling the gravity of the earth supporting you, holding you, nurturing you, keeping you grounded, centered. That can make a huge difference in anything that's going on in your life. If you just take this one concept of grounding and grounding yourself in the experience of being a physical being, that can be healing in and of itself. So we're going to start this podcast series, these meditations. There are going to be 7, one for each day of the week. Today is the first day. Grounding is what we're going to be talking about today. And healing is based on compassion. Compassion for the self, compassion for others, compassion for the world around you, wanting to make things better. And grounding, if we look at the definition in the dictionary, it's a verb. It can also be a noun, but we're going to go with the verb today. The definition is 1, to provide a reason or justification for. 2, to furnish with a foundation of knowledge. 3, to bring to a place on the ground. 4, to prohibit from taking part in some unusual activities. And 5, to connect electrically with a ground. And if you think about all of these definitions, and then you think about healing, what I really want to focus on is this idea that we are rooted like trees in the earth. And if we don't take time to connect with our roots, we don't feel like we have a firm grasp on whatever we're dealing with. So let's take time today in this meditation to really get grounded. And I'd like you to think about a time in your life when you really felt grounded. And if you can't think of something right off the top of your head, just imagine feeling like you are certain of who you are and that all of the thoughts, things that are circling through your mind just fall to the wayside and you are present. And maybe you can think about a time when that really was how you felt. So I'd like to get into the meditation now. I think, the concept of grounding is really important, and I'd like you to really think about that for the rest of the day. But for now, let's switch into the meditation because that's why you're here and I don't want to take up too much of your time. These podcast episodes are designed to be short enough for you to just move about your day. If you're driving or operating heavy machinery, as you know, this is not a time to meditate. So hit pause and come back to this when you can. Close your eyes and truly be present. And if you're not operating heavy machinery, let's go. Take a deep breath, filling the lungs as you place the soles of your feet on the floor, touching the earth, and exhaling as you relax your body into this process. Now take another breath, filling the lungs, and hold at the top. Take an extra sip of air in to seal in today's healing intention of grounding. And as you exhale, release any negative beliefs or thought patterns, any energetic blocks or anything else known or unknown that isn't serving the highest good of all. Relax the body even deeper now. Relax your jaw, your cheeks, your shoulders and neck. your abdomen and spine, your pelvis and legs, and your feet. Just release any tension as you close your eyes gently. Let softness find you as you drop into your physical body, relaxed. Feel the energy of calmness and relaxation and breathe it in and let it go, relaxing deeper with every exhale. Let yourself feel fully at peace. Now imagine you're a tree standing sturdy and tall in a gentle breeze. The sunlight warms you, and your roots spread down into the soil, warm on the top layers and cooler as your roots grow deeper and deeper. And they stretch down all the way to the core of Mother Earth. She lovingly supports you and welcomes you to send any energy, anything no longer serving you down those energetic roots to her core, so she can transmute that energy into beneficial blessings and love. And she sends love back to you when you allow her. Witness your breath rise and fall, getting smoother as you relax. Receive grounding, a feeling of centeredness in your body, your mind, and your spirit. You are stable and strong like the tree, rooted in this moment. Inhale, receiving grounding energy as a healing intention. Exhale any resistance, imbalances, or blockages, known or unknown. Just let them go. Keep witnessing the breath rising and falling, getting smoother as you relax. Now invite this grounded feeling to stay with you throughout the day today, helping you feel connected with your purpose, to ride beside you like a friend who knows when you need more grounding, whispering it into your intuition, reminding you to reconnect with your energetic roots so you can easily sense, know, and feel grounded, connected to your purpose, to the core of your essence. Breathe your essence in. It's always there, connecting you to yourself, to this planet, to the lessons in your life. It's simply there like your guardian angel. Let it heal every cell of your body, every bone from your toes to your skull, every tissue, every muscle, every organ, every thought, every dream, every intention, every cell, every breath. Let it fill your soul so much that you can touch the sky and the stars. You are so expanded, so light, so free, and yet so connected to your physical purpose here on this planet in this lifetime. Let it fill you up in the most beautiful way. Breathe into this moment, saying to yourself, I am grounded. Let this energy radiate out from you, sharing loving, healing energy of being firmly grounded with all beings in your presence throughout your day. Allow yourself to detach from any desired outcome, but simply to be grounded, rooted in the moment, sharing this energy with others by simply existing as you are. Breathe this centered, calming energy into your body, to your mind, your thoughts. Breathe it into your heart, your soul, your truth. Let it lift you up as you invite this grounding to bring you closer to your life purpose today. Feel it elevate your frequency, the frequency of all beings, the collective, bathed in grounding connection. Let anything known or unknown blocking you from experiencing all aspects of healing from grounding dissolve into the ether, letting Mother Earth purify and renew this energy to be used in beneficial ways, sending you this healing up through your energetic roots and out through your crown, radiating love and healing around you. Set the intention now to let grounding be the healing theme of your day. Let grounding guide you to find more peace, more calm, more purpose today and every day. Take one final breath with this grounding energy and let it go again. Release control of your breath as you come back to your body. Gently wiggle your toes and fingers and feel your presence coming back into your body, nourished, rejuvenated, calm. Gently open your eyes and stretch your arms and legs. Anchor into your body with the healing energy you have created today. Take a moment to notice how you feel in your body. As your systems continue to reconnect with this reality, think of 3 things you are grateful for. Whatever pops into your mind, thing 1, thing 2, and thing 3 that you're grateful for. Good. Now, as you go about your day today, make sure that you drink plenty of pure water to help keep you grounded and to keep your body centered and hydrated and your energy flowing, and to keep your mind nourished. I invite you to seal your practice into your day by sitting on the earth while you write about and draw any visions, ideas, or simply free express whatever comes out onto the page for the next few minutes after this meditation. Just whatever thoughts came up or anything that comes up just while you're writing. Honor it. Honor you. Honor your adventure here on earth. Welcome to the Daily Healing. Thank you for being here. I love you and I'm so glad you're here. Please join me in the next episode where we will explore inspiration and getting you inspired for the day. And if you'd like some healing resources by yours truly, head on over to brittmichaelian.com. There's a link in the show notes for you to make it easy. Thank you so much. Peace, love, and many blessings to you. Namaste.